Gentlemen of the press, we are pleased to welcome you all here. This is a communique issued at the end of an emergency meeting of Rivers State elders and leaders forum held on December 17, 2023. The Rivers State Elders and Leaders Forum met today, December 17, 2023, in Port Harcourt, under the leadership of His Excellency Chief Rufus George, former Governor of Rivers State. The forum reviewed the outcome of these previous meetings and follow-up actions, which include letters seeking audience with our sons, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir FUBARA, and Chief Barrister Wike, former Governor and presently Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The forum reviewed the embarrassing and dangerous ongoing happenings in Rivers State and by extension Nigeria, namely attempt to impeach Sir FUBARA, Executive Governor of Rivers State, the bombing of the Rivers State House of Assembly chambers, attack on the life of the Executive Governor, allegedly by some security agents on Monday, 30th October 2023, and the other acts of impunity and lawlessness, which portends great dangers for the peace and security of Rivers State and Nigeria as a whole. After an extensive deliberation and consideration of the issues, the forum resolved as follows. 1. The forum regretted that Governor FUBARA nor Chief Barrister Wike, neither of them responded to our letters seeking for audience with each of them. The attempt to impeach the Governor of Rivers State, barely about 6 months in office, without explaining to the good people of the state the reasons and infractions of law, is unacceptable. The forum condemns every form of violence and lawlessness in Rivers State, and therefore demand proper investigation of the crisis and those responsible be brought to justice. 4. The forum reviewed the demolition of the Rivers State House of Assembly by the Rivers State government and urged the government to expedite action on rebuilding the demolished House of Assembly complex so that lawmakers will continue their legislative business in a permanent site within the shortest possible time. The forum condemned in its entirety the misuse of Rivers people's political power vested in politicians for personal gains and interests. Hence, we condemn in its entirety the recent defections of 27 law officers without recount to their constituents. The forum is aware of this and thus reject the news making the rounds of social media of forum shopping and purchase of legal instruments outside Rivers State to cause crisis in the state, thereby endangering human lives and property. An alleged, already written, premeditated court ruling by one Justice Donatus Okorowo of Federal High Court 8, Abuja, on an ex parte application secretly filed in the night by pro-Wike former lawmakers, which the judge wants to deliver tomorrow, which is today, Monday, and has been delivered already. We saw it, it was all over the social media, it was all over, handled, floated by some of the 27 members of the House, and it's been delivered in what was said, the way it was written. Where he wanted to stop the earlier approved or the declaration of the seats vacant, an action that was already concluded by a Port Harcourt High Court, and also to give them the legitimacy to move in with DSS, the police, to start the illegal impeachment of Governor FUBARA. That was exactly what they intended, and it has been done today. This memo, this action has been written weeks ago from what we understood. The foregoing is disturbing and generating serious tension in Rivers State, and thus giving the forum great concern, indeed great concern, because we don't know what can follow from this action. We therefore urge the judiciary and all security agents to be wary and alive in discharge of their responsibility in order not to worsen the already tense atmosphere in Rivers State. Finally, the forum urged His Excellency President Bola Tinubu, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to consolidate on his earlier intervention, as the consequences of inaction may not only affect Rivers State, the Niger Delta region, and the federal government. The forum owes this solemn truth as a duty to the federal government. God bless Nigeria. God bless Rivers State and our people. God bless the Federal Republic. Signed by all these my friends, my colleagues, noted here, His Excellency, AG Toby, and all the rest. Yeah. Thank you very much.